Since the inception of manual hoists, the principle of reduction gears to gain mechanical advantage, with ratchet gears and pawls to arrest rotation, have been used as the basis for their operation. Early lever hoists utilized a single pawl, assisted by a tensioning spring to halt rotation. Although functional, this configuration contained a real risk of a single-point catastrophic failure in the event of a simple spring fracture. A significant design advance was made through the introduction of twin pawls. This negated the risk of single-point catastrophic failure, arguably making hoists twice as safe. Twin pawls have since been considered standard in lever hoists, but this configuration has its own design flaw. When a lever hoist is used in a fine tolerance tensioning application, it is possible that the pawls could be forced into an unstable location point with the ratchet gear. At William Hackett, we have been looking for ways to improve the safety of hoists. From our experience, pawls and pawl springs are frequently replaced spare parts, and hence we can deduce prone to wear or failure. In standard hoists, if the pawl spring fails, pawl engagement cannot be guaranteed and failure becomes probable. This led us to develop a solution that enhances this critical function and the safety of hoists based on the resilience to mechanical failure. Like many ingenious solutions, William Hackett's patented design is simple. This design incorporates 4 individual pawls working as a pair on each pawl stand. As the ratchet gear rotates, the gear teeth cause the pawls to move and the profiled mating faces of the pawls interact. This interaction causes the adjacent pawl to engage with the next ratchet gear tooth. The design does not depend on a spring for its functionality, albeit the inclusion of a spring provides additional resilience. Thus, the holding of the load is controlled by 4 pawls, making the hoist even safer to use. The new design also makes the hoist capable of finer adjustment thanks to the reduced distance between pawl engagements. Each pawl has fewer engagements with the ratchet gear as those within a twin pawl hoist, thus increasing the service life of the hoist. This is the William Hackett SS L5 QP. Safe just became safer.